Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the device for accurate checks. First, make sure battery level sits between 20 and 80%. Extreme levels skew some diagnostics. Then open Settings and tap About Phone 7 times to enable developer options. This unlocks hidden menus you may need. If you plan to use PC tools, switch on USB debugging, otherwise keep it off. Once done, navigate to Settings Battery or use the phone dialer code to access built-in battery health screens for the next step. You now perform the diagnostic checks. Open Settings Battery and locate battery health or battery usage to view capacity estimates and abnormal drain details. If the built-in view is limited, install a reputable battery monitor app to read voltage, charge cycles, and temperature in real time. Run one full charge-discharge cycle while noting peak voltage and highest temperature. These numbers help determine capacity loss. Once those tests complete, compare reported charge cycles and capacity percentage against the phone's expected lifespan to judge health. You finish with advanced verification and remedies. Connect to a PC and use ADB or the manufacturer's diagnostic tool to pull detailed battery stats and historical charge cycle logs for deeper analysis. For a quick recalibration, charge to 100%, reboot the phone, then observe whether the percentage stabilizes. Make sure to avoid using the device heavily during this. If capacity is far below expected or the phone swells, stop using it and arrange an authorized battery replacement. That resolves most persistent health issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.